Are you struggling to make your columns larger in LearnWorlds? In today's video, I'll show you how to easily adjust your column size in LearnWorlds and how to make the most of it in your online courses. Stick around till the end because I'll also reveal a few hidden tricks to enhance your user experience with some great alternatives that might be better suited for your goals. First things first, adjusting columns in LearnWorlds can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the platform's design settings. But no worries, I'll break it down step by step. Next, to begin resizing columns, head over to the page where you want to make the change. Once you're in the LearnWorlds editor, you'll notice a lot of flexibility with the drag and drop blocks. Columns typically come in a 2 or 3 column layout, and the width of these columns can be adjusted, but it's not as simple as just clicking a button. You'll need to click on the column section to open the settings. Now, once you click on the column, you'll be able to modify the width using the editor's built-in controls. If you want the column to be wider, you can increase the width percentage. Just make sure the overall layout still looks balanced so it doesn't affect the user experience on different screen sizes, especially mobile devices. The third thing to note here is that LearnWorlds allows for some customization, but it can feel a bit restrictive compared to other platforms. While you can adjust column sizes, the options for fine-tuning are fairly limited. If you have a design that requires precise control, LearnWorlds might leave you feeling a bit boxed in. Next thing, if you find that LearnWorlds doesn't give you enough flexibility with columns, consider using their CSS editor. By adding custom CSS, you can override the default settings and get more precise control over column sizes. This is great for advanced users, but might be a bit of a learning curve if you're just starting out. The fourth thing I want to mention is that some users have reported that column resizing doesn't always translate well across devices. You may get the perfect column size on your desktop, but when switching to mobile, things might look a bit off. So, it's always important to preview your work in LearnWorlds and test how the columns look on different screens to ensure your design translates well everywhere. Now, let's talk alternatives. While LearnWorlds has its strengths, if your goal is to create a more customized and flexible learning environment, platforms like Teachable or Thinkific may offer more advanced design options that allow you to resize columns and other elements more easily. Both are user-friendly and offer much more control over the layout without needing custom CSS. By the way, we've partnered up to offer you an exclusive extended free trial to LearnWorlds, so you can test out these features for yourself and see if it's the right fit for your courses. But as I mentioned, we've also highlighted some awesome alternatives that could be better suited to your specific needs, especially if column sizing and overall design flexibility are important to you. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Don't miss out on this.